Hello everyone, welcome to Kiata Studio.
Hello.
On this video, we will be doing the Kid Art Challenge. This is my kid. What are you going to do today?
I'm going to paint a picture of a house.
Today, he is going to be using watercolors and he'll be painting a picture of a house. I am going to watch him paint it and I'm going to have to paint it similar to his. Wait until the end of this video so you can see if I mastered his watercolor painting or if I failed. What if I fail? It doesn't matter if I fail. I'm still your mommy.
I know. Today I'm going to be using paper, paint, water, and a paintbrush. Today I am pitting the grass.
Wow!
About to do the sky. This is so great. I'm going to do the sun now. I'm painting the house now. I'm about to draw the doorknob. I'm all done now. Now let's see if Mommy can do the same thing.
I'm going to start with the grass, and it looks like he kind of just did some bold strokes. Now I'm going to do the sky. He went across with bold strokes again, and he kind of dipped down a little bit further right here. I think it was in this area. His sun was up in the far right hand corner, and he had lots of sun rays coming out. The circle wasn't as defined, it was more freestyle. Now the house, which was more this corner, and he had a darker brown on the outside. I'm just underpainting right now, doing the outline, and then I'll fill it in. He did have a round shaped window right here, so just put that like that. He said it was a doorknob right here, so I'm outlining that. His brush strokes were more up and down on the house. This style house reminds me of a Cape Cod, same style that I grew up in. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom Cape Cod with a basement, an attic. It was really nice. Now for the doorknob. Now for the window. This was a larger circle. Let's see if my son is impressed. How do you think Mommy did? You think I did a good job or a bad job?
A good job.
Yes.
Actually,
What? Actually what?
dang it, if this was sharp, I would write an A.
Oh, for A plus. Let's find you a pencil. Oh, you gave yourself a B plus. And what you gonna give Mommy? An A plus. Oh, thank you, honey. I believe you deserve an A plus too. Come here. Let me hold this. Let's turn this B into An airplane!